guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a wash day featuring the Viore All Natural Long Shin Rice Shampoo and Conditioner Bars. These products are inspired by the ancient hair care rituals of the Red Yao tribe. These women are known for having really long hair that does not gray. The reason I wanted to use these products is because I've heard about rice water and the benefits that it has of growing your hair and also length retention, so I decided to go ahead and buy these products. As you can see, the packaging is beautiful and the actual shampoo bar is just beautiful. It has these beautiful engravings on them and I just love the presentation of these products. So right here I'm just completely soaking my hair, getting ready to use my shampoo bar. I did go ahead and divide my hair into 6 equal parts to prepare for shampooing. So I'm going in directly with the shampoo bar, running it under some water, and then I'm putting it directly on my hair. Later on, I will find out and you will see that it has really great lather, and I actually use way too much than I need to on this one section of hair. As you see, I keep using it even though there's more than enough shampoo on my hair, but I wasn't sure. It's my first time using this product, but it has really great lather and it just felt really good on my scalp, guys. So I'm going in with my shampoo brush to kind of make sure that the shampoo is getting directly on my scalp as well and to give some circulation to my scalp. So I take the clip out and then I make sure that the shampoo is going down the length of my hair. As you see, I use the shampoo bar again, even though I don't need to at all, but I do anyways. And now you guys can see how much lather it has. The smell of the shampoo bar, guys, is exactly what it says it smells like. It has like a vanilla musk smell. There's different types that you can get, but I got the Hidden Waterfall, which does have like a vanilla, it's like a musky smell, but it smells really, really good. I do end up trying to spread some of the suds around as I started realizing how much lather this shampoo had. As you can see, it basically does cover the entire half part of my head, so you do not need a lot of this. A little goes a long way. So right now I'm just going to show you the consistency of the shampoo when it comes off the bar. It has a lot of lather, it's really nice, and it just makes your hair feel really clean. So right now I'm going ahead and rinsing the shampoo out of my hair. I didn't have any issues washing it out of my hair. It didn't leave any type of like residue on my hair. My hair didn't feel overly stripped, but it also wasn't super soft either, so kind of right in the middle. You'll definitely want to go in with the conditioner bar or a deep conditioner afterwards. Okay, so I paired my Hidden Waterfall shampoo bar with the Hidden Waterfalls conditioner bar, which doesn't have as intricate of a design on it, but it's basically just like a square. It smelled very similar to the shampoo bar, except it smelled a lot like African shea butter, and that's also an ingredient in the bar, so that's why it smelled like that, I'm assuming. So right off the bat, I'm noticing that the conditioner bar has a ton of slip. As you can see by my reaction, it just made my hair feel so good. It was so easy to go ahead and finger detangle. It just had a lot of slip, and I was very surprised by this. The consistency of the conditioner was a lot thinner than the shampoo. I felt like I had to use a lot more of this than the shampoo. I was constantly having to put the bar under the water to get more conditioner, but us natural girls, we naturally use a lot of conditioner, so I just always felt like I needed more. But as you can see, it's making my hair really defined and really shiny, which actually surprised me a lot. And like I said, it made it so easy to detangle. As you can see, I'm easily separating my hair without any tangles or major knots. So I left the conditioner in for about as long as it takes to wash my entire body, and then I went ahead and now I'm rinsing it out. I do notice that the softness doesn't really last after you rinse it out, so later on I did feel the need to go in and do a deep conditioning treatment. So this is what my hair was looking like straight out of the shower. It still felt a little dry, so I decided to go in with my own deep conditioning mixture. I used the Maui Moisture Heal and Hydrate Shea Butter Conditioner. I mixed that in with the Maui Moisture Heal and Hydrate Shea Butter Hair Mask. Then I add in some Sunny Isle Extra Dark Jamaican Black Castor Oil and the Miel Mint Almond Oil. I also add a little bit of my own personal mixture of oils.
This has been a Hachette audio production of Midnight Sun. Written by Stephanie Meyer. Read by Jake Abel. Produced by Michelle McGonigal. Directed by Dennis Kao. Recorded at Outlaws.
So I decided to finish off this wash day with a wash and go using the Main Choice products. So I'm using their Tropical Moringa Rinse Out or Leave-In Conditioner as my leave-in. And then I'm using the Tropical Moringa Braid Out Glaze as my styler. I then finished that off with some Wetline Extreme Styling Gel. And this was my results, guys. I definitely feel like this was a successful wash day. Let me know what you think down in the comments about the shampoo and conditioning bars. That's definitely something that's new to me, but I'm excited to start using it considering that I don't use rice water and I don't really got the time to use rice water. So I'm going to try it out and see how it affects my hair growth and my length retention. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and leave a like down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.